Happy New Year's, everybody, from SteveSearches. Today is Thursday, January 1st, 2026. Can you believe it's 2026 already? We're heading back up toward the Merrill Lake area. There's 5 photos, 5 videos. Here's the live version, M7. Here's our live version. So, we got that. Oh, yeah, okay, here we go. There's our gallery. Looks like we have some people walking through here. That's me. Looks like somebody's out hiking. Yeah, somebody with a little dog out here hiking. Here's somebody else back here. Looks like it's some guy. It looks like he's got a rifle. So it all works. We got 4 cams with us today. Not necessarily on a cam deploying mission today, but I certainly wouldn't mind it. If we found a good place. Today is a little more of a practical mission. Today we're going to solve a problem. Because I've had problems with leaking batteries in the past that I really don't want in these trail cams, especially the ones up at Panther Creek, because once they get a good snow, those camps are going to be up there for several months. So today's mission is we're going to go up to those 4 cams I set up at Panther Creek, and we're going to change out the batteries. My kid just texted me. I must have missed his text while I was getting gas, but he texted, wanted to know if I wanted to go to breakfast. So yeah, it's going to be a smash and grab job, baby. Up in Panther Creek. It's going to suck because it's cold and it's wet. We're getting close to the area where I have 4 cams out. Up in Panther Creek. In fact, we're just about ready to go past Panther Creek Falls. Coming up on 4 corners here. I have seen a couple of vehicles up here, but so we got 2 cams. We got batteries for the other 2 cams. And we got the cards. And we got the drone. I'll be looking forward to my cigar when we get back.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right. Mushy and slippery in here today. Come on. Come on over through here. Come on. Come on. Pete's sakes. Oh, come on. Thing. Drone hit a tree and went down, but this thing is almost too much of a pain. More of a pain than it's worth. we go. I'm back online. Alright, so this is cam 1. I'm replacing it with cam 5, which is a radio cam. Turn it on. And it's on. There's definitely been some activity back here. See, things been walking around through here. I don't see anything. It looks like boots or shoes though. So not likely human. Not clear enough to make out what they are though. Oh. There's gotta be a little. Didn't bring anything to. Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect. Perfect. What I need really is a tech guy or tech gal to come up here and do this. And I can just watch the videos later. That would be perfect. Turn it off. No battery or card replacement needed here because it's going with us. He's gonna keep watch for us. Nice little, good little cam. He's gonna watch all the animals for us. Let us know in a few months what's back here. All right. Now, turn cam 6 on. Last but not least, we got a battery change on this guy. Hooray. Before we get out of here, I'm going to test this. This is camera 5. We got a live view. Nice. So camera 5 is working. Now we'll check camera 6. There we go. Live view, camera 6. So we're there. We're there. We have made it back to the truck. In one piece. These off. It's a bottle of water. Nice and chilly too. Nice and chilly. Son of a... Oh. All right, let's skedaddle. going to go up to Panther Creek today and check those cams, make sure there's no problems with them, and make sure they're working right. Well, there has been a slight change in plans. I had an idea. I'm taking a little detour here over Bridge of the Gods so I can get on 84 to head up to Hood River after a Google search. A Google search shows that the nearest farm store is up by Hood River. What? Oh, okay. $3.
Yes, indeed.
Have you ever seen a Bigfoot?
I have not seen a Bigfoot.
You've never seen a Bigfoot, huh?
Nope.
No Bigfoot.
Nope. But I think they're out there for sure.
Yeah? She says she's never seen one, but she says she thinks they're out there. I think they're out there too. Well, obviously. Alright, we're at the farm store. Sunday 96. Now we go in over here. Also, do you have salt blocks in here?
Salt blocks, yes. Yeah. They're at the very back by the feed.
Back there? Okay,
yeah.
I'll wander back there.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Now this is what we're looking for. It's what we're looking for. Rock on a rope. Change my mind. I'm gonna grab one. I'm gonna grab one and try it. Salty. Salty. Rock on a rope. Alrighty. So we got some goodies here. Got some goodies. It's widely known, of course, with outdoorsmen, that many creatures like salt. This is downtown Hood River. Been here quite a few times, but it's a nice little town. It's pretty touristy. But the only business we have here today was just to get these salt blocks. So, adios Hood River. Not exactly the best day for this. I got the cards. It's going to be a smash and grab. I'm just going to get down there quick. Just so happens I happen to have some leather gloves in my pockets because I use this rain jacket for biking. So that's going to be a good thing. Alright, we got one brick. We got a brick, a cam, and a sense of humor. We're ready to go. Alright, we're in an area. I'm going to leave this right here, right where it can be found. So I'm just going to, but since I'm down here, I'm just going to change the cards out anyhow while I'm here. See if there's anything on them. Preparing for motion detection, blah blah blah, so it's ready to go. This thing should be online now. That's cam 2. Now onward. And changing out these cards on these 2 radio cams. I just want to check and make sure, yep, there's a live view. Here's me on the live view. So there doesn't appear to be anything on that cam. And that's cam R5, which is right there. It's right across from the one we just changed. We're now connecting to R6, which shows 2 photos, which is probably me. You'll see me when I step out. Here we go. There's me. There's me on R6. So R6 appears to be good to go. So we don't need to do anything with that cam. This is cam 4. Go back to menu. I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to turn it on, and that should activate it. Preparing for motion detection. So we're good. We're done. We are done for today's smash and grab. Make sure everything's shut down. That's that. Love it when a plan comes together. A few weeks ago, I was wearing these hikers. I walked outside the front door and I stepped in some cat poop. So I've been wearing these on these hikes, hoping to get the poop off. Looks like it did the job. Cat poop check. Did the cat poop on this one? Nope. It's all clean. No cat poop there. We're good. We are good. I can forget about those cams now. They're good for the winter. Oh, and I got much love to Chris and Missy for the awesome and the delicious cigars. Normally I don't smoke in the truck, but we have quite a ways to go. Have our cigar.